Etienne Bezout. Etienne Bezout was a famous mathematician, famous for many papers and a textbook. The childhood of the famous mathematician. Steps to becoming himself. Etienne Bezout was expected to follow in his father's footsteps, but instead became something completely different. He became a mathematician. His father was a magistrate and wanted his son to follow his footsteps, but was surprised to find that his son's passion was algebraic expressions and geometric problems. What he is known for. Bezout is known for many things. For one, he wrote a theorem on the number of solutions of polynomial equations. He also wrote a paper that proved a method of solution for certain nth degree equations. His biggest contribution was his elimination theory, which was given n equations in n unknowns to find and study the resolute equation in one of the unknowns. He also wrote another paper in 1764 that was another procedure which gives a resultant equation of lower degree. Living in France. Bezout lived in a French town called Nemours. He grew up there. He was born on March 31st, 1730. He died in the year 1783. By living in a francophone country, he was able to be discovered by more people and have more chances, such as being elected adjoint by the Academy of Sciences. In his generation, there were no calculators or computers. This made his intelligence even larger because he did everything by himself, on paper or in his head. He wrote many papers and his own textbook by hand because there wasn't any computers or printers. He had many papers instead of having websites. Technology was limited. However, this made him 1,000 times smarter because he had lots of practice and could do everything alone. Etienne Bezout, hero of math. Bezout was a hero of mathematics, mostly algebra and geometry. He mostly worked on solving equations. He wrote many papers on different points and theorems. He wrote his very own textbook. He followed in his true passion instead of doing what people expected, and even though his father wanted him to be a magistrate, he became a mathematician. Etienne Bezout became a famous mathematician, and he didn't even care about being famous. He just wanted to do what he loved, and he did. He did his math. The photos to the right are of Bezout, and the other picture is of his theorem, and also another one of his papers.